Archipower aluminum formwork Daniel's WhatsApp.
For trial assembly of Archipower aluminum formwork before acceptance, perform the following checks. Dimensional accuracy. Ensure all panels match specified dimensions and align properly. Surface quality. Inspect for dents, scratches, and smoothness. Connections. Verify that all locking and connecting mechanisms function seamlessly. Material verification. Confirm the aluminum grade and thickness. Component fit. Assemble to check the fitting of all parts and ease of assembly. Stability. Ensure assembled formwork is stable and secure. Documentation. Review accompanying quality assurance documents. These checks ensure the formwork meets project standards and is fit for use.